welcome to another video. Today I don't normally do unboxings of machines to sell, but this is fairly cool I suppose, so it will deserve a video. Let's just put that up there. Got two boxes here because they're in two parts. Well, that's what I bought. So there's one vacuum here and the other half should be in there, hopefully. There are some pneumatics, so yeah, quite cool. So yeah, let's get into it. Huge box, very heavy. What we've got. So we've got some 38mm ones, although they are rusty and stuff, but they should clean up fine. We've got a 38mm squeegee floor tool, which is quite dirty really, quite nasty. And then we have the first vac in here, which is this. Don't know if it's a twin motor or not, but anyway, we'll move the big box out of the way. And here we go, here's the first machine. It is a wv570 from 1994. As you can see, it's got the wrong base on it, but it doesn't really matter. Single motor of course, and then got the float valve and a hose, 38mm hose. Base is off a dry machine because it's got the normal bag in there and it's not got a hand on it, but you know, oh well. So we'll leave that lid off because I've actually in the other box got the other lid that was included in the lot. This was 60 quid by the way for two industrial machines. So let's just bang the other box down here quickly. So in here's a slightly later lid actually. So we'll see what this one's like. Again, no date on it. This one again is single motor, but slightly later, probably early 2000s maybe this one. But yeah, that looks a lot better than now actually. Single motor, wet and dry. Handle's a bit cracked on it, but oh no, it's just been put back together wrong. Yeah, single motor, wet and dry, some kind of ID tag on there. So yeah, quite a cool lot really. Hopefully these screws ain't rusted in. No, they're not. So what we'll do anyway, we'll fire these lids up while we're here. Fire them up, see what they're saying, see if they sound good or they sound bad, whatever. But anyway, here's the first machine. We'll go and plug this in now, see what it sounds like. So going in, so here we go. Yeah, not too bad. A little bit rough, but it's alright. Good to see they've got the older motors in these ones. And we've got the older lid, which should just sound the same really. The 94 lid. So anyway, let's plug this one in. Here we go, it's going in. And here we go. And it doesn't work. Oh well, it's fine. This one works, the one I'm planning to sell first. This one don't, but oh well, it's just a lid at the end of the day, probably just use it for spares or whatever. I've got some motors and stuff I can probably put in this. So yeah, yeah, it's not too bad. Screws ain't rusted, which is the main thing. So yeah, let's just wrap the cable up on this. I did actually see a bit of exposed cable somewhere, to be fair, so that might be our problem. So I'm just running the cable through my hands now as we wrap it up around the top. Was it this one? I don't know. But yeah, there's that one anyway. And then obviously this lid here. So yeah, well, not bad. Quite large wet vacs. Is it this one? I don't know. But yeah, should get a decent bit of money for these, really. Yeah, there we go. Strap the cable up. Hang on, was that? No, that's not. But yeah, there we go. Pretty decent, to be fair. Numatic industrial wet vacs. Well, wet vac. I'm half of one anyway. At least. Yeah, there we go. There is our machine. So we just get this tape off these tubes. Packing tape as well, isn't it? Right, so there's the bent end, and then we get our two straight ones as well. These look really short. I don't know why. I'm sure they're just standard, but you know. And then we've got our very disgusting floor tool. Obviously goes on there, and then use this to clean up floods and whatever. But yeah, there we go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And yeah, bye for now.